A News4 Jax I-Team update now on signs at City Hall telling people they cannot go to certain areas upstairs unless they have permission or an invitation. We obtained internal emails showing what was happening behind the scenes at City Hall before those signs went up, and they were prompted by a protest. News4 Jax I-Team investigator Ann Maxwell joins us live. And Ann, those signs may not totally be legal.
Mary, these signs say people who are asked to leave and don't could be arrested. An attorney tells us the city does have the right to keep people from protesting loudly in a way that disrupts city business. He says what they don't have the right to do is keep people from going upstairs to get city services they pay for with their tax dollars.
Let's go back to last Thursday. Public records show the mayor's chief administrative officer scheduled a meeting about public property in his office with city attorneys. A few days later, an attorney for the city texted his colleague asking for a meeting Monday, saying, quote, "We have a task assigned." Attached is a newspaper editorial criticizing a protest at City Hall a few weeks back. The Northside Coalition had gone to the mayor's office to demand he follow through with his promise to remove Confederate monuments. The writer of the editorial is Sieber Newsom, who's a frequent counter-protester at Confederate demonstrations. Newsom suggested the protesters should have been arrested and went on to say, "I think me and some friends will do this with a megaphone and with Confederate flags and sing Dixie. If arrested, we will sue for discrimination." The next morning, one of those attorneys got an email saying they learned the Northside Coalition was planning to protest at City Hall again on Tuesday. The other attorney responded, "Okay, now it is an emergency. Please see me ASAP." Northside Coalition community activist Ben Frazier says he feels targeted.
It says that they were directing these signs at a black-led organization and at a black community organizer.
In an email thread, subject line signs, City Hall protests marked high importance. City attorneys traded notes on drafts of signs restricting the public's access to the upper levels of City Hall.
This is wrong. These signs are in effect a vicious and vile attempt to prevent the citizens from exercising their rights.
In one email, the city director of public works directs the chief of public buildings to have the signs up by noon on the day of the protest.
And these emails were provided by the city to News4 Jax. A city spokesperson says these emails were an exchange between the administration and the Office of General Counsel about how best to prevent the disruption of city business. The city has not responded to criticism that these signs take things too far. Live from City Hall, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.